this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up an email address that matches your domain name. Get started by going to webstarts.com and logging into your account. To create a matching email address, you must be on a premium subscription and have a domain name added to your site. Select the drop-down menu in the top right, and then select the Mailboxes tab. Click the Add New Email Box button. Then enter the first and last name of the person who will be using the mailbox. Then enter the desired username and confirm the domain name the address will be connected to. Finally, choose and confirm the password you'll be using to send and receive mail and click Submit. It's important to remember your password because you'll need this whether checking webmail or configuring an email client. Now that you've created a mailbox, let's talk about the different places you can check your email. To check webmail, click the open icon to the left of the email address. Enter your full email address and password and click Login. The webmail app is a place you can send, receive, and search for email messages. If there's a feature you're accustomed to using in Gmail or Yahoo Mail, you can likely find it here. And of course, you always have the option to forward your email to another service like Gmail. You can do that by clicking on Settings, Mail Forwarding, entering your Gmail address, and clicking Save. For now, let's go back to the Manage Mailboxes view. Clicking the edit icon to the right of each email address will allow you to update the name and password, while clicking the trash can icon will delete the email address entirely. That's it for this video on how to create and manage your custom email address. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well as leave your questions in the comments below.